Dan Christensen was born in 1943, died in 2007, an abstract painter best known for his unfettered use of color in various styles, including color field painting and lyrical abstraction. In 1967 Mr. Christensen, finding the realism of his classical training restrictive, began using spray guns to paint colorful stacked loops on canvas, a technique that won him critical acclaim. He started by spraying over square pieces of tape, then removing them, creating a grid. The grids turned into tightly coiled loops, which graduated to looser whirls and finally broke into strokes and lines of color.